Respectable audience, look at that question. It's 2s squared minus 2, 2s squared minus 2. 2s squared is equal to 4, 4 minus 2, and it's 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 2, it will be equal to 4. 4 will be our answer, but it is wrong, because we have not followed the order of operation. First of all, we will solve it according to PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve parentheses. So parentheses have 2a squared, which will be equal to 4 minus 2. Now 4 minus 2 will be equal to... So we have solved parentheses. Now here is multiplication and then exponent. So 2a squared will be equal to 4 minus 2. Then this symbol has come from this empty space, because when there is no symbol, we can put a multiplication sign. Now don't do 4 minus 2 as 2, because it's not correct or drop operation according to PEMDAS rule. So 4 minus 2 times 2. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, but it is wrong because we will follow the order of operation. So minus 2 times 2 will be solved first, because according to order of operation, then it's turned to multiplication. So 4 as it is, minus 2 times 2 will be equal to 4. 4 times 4. 4 minus 4 will be equal to 0, which will be our correct answer. So, thank you for your concern and your support.